Yes, come in. Oh, Mr. Amos.
Mr. Ali, how are you?
Good to see you. I'm good.
Good to see you.
And you?
Good, good.
Okay, please have a seat.
Thank you.
So, how was your morning, Mr. Amos?
Oh, it's been a pretty long morning. I got up pretty early to get some work done, and
Nice,
then
nice.
had some breakfast over at the hotel. Staying at a nice
Which
place
one?
down the road, Intercontinental Jeddah.
Oh, yeah, the Jeddah. It's a good one. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. It's one of my favorite ones to go and have breakfast and lunch. They have good food over there.
Yeah, really good food. Last night I had some chicken and rice. I think it was called kapsa.
The kapsa. See.
Yeah, yeah. And then this morning we had some this really good yogurt thing. I think it was Laban, they said.
Oh, the Laban drink.
Yeah.
Yes, it's milk
It was
and
very
yogurt.
good,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's really good. We
Yeah.
always have it for breakfast. It gives you energy.
Yeah, it's really good.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
And what have you been doing here in Saudi Arabia these past few days? Have you been doing any activity?
Yesterday we actually some of us went to camel racing. That was pretty cool.
nice, nice.
I've
I
never
like
seen
camel
that.
races,
Yeah. And then we checked out that big mall that's down the street. That's a pretty cool
Oh,
mall.
yeah. We have a lot of bazaar and malls here in Saudi Arabia. But
Yeah.
pay attention to the one that you pick because there are a lot of fake stuff around.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. I'll keep that in mind.
Okay.
Anyway, enough about me.
Let's talk.
How's your wife and your daughter? How's your family?
My wife? Mr.
Yeah.
Amos, don't talk about my wife or my daughter, please. Let's remain on the line and talk about business now. Don't mention my wife. It's
Okay.
not very
I'm
appropriate.
sorry about that. Anyway, I was thinking that we could finalize this deal in back in America.
Oh, yes.
So I think we could probably fly you out on our corporate jet and maybe get you some tickets to see the Texas Rangers. They're a pretty good team.
No, Mr. Amos, I cannot accept all these things, sir. No, are you kidding me? No way. Please, it's very inappropriate.
I'm sorry.
Mr.
I'm
Amos.
sorry. We'll get down to business. Oh, I
Yeah,
almost
let's
forgot.
talk about business.
I almost
So-
forgot. I brought you this.
Oh,
this
Mr.
nice
Amos,
bottle of wine.
wine? No, alcohol in my religion is extremely bad. Please, move it from my
This
desk.
is some of
Move
this
it.
is really good.
I can't
wine.
believe this. This is unacceptable. Imagine if my wife walk inside in this moment and they find you giving me gift and bottle of wine. Oh my God, Mr. Amos, please leave my office. Talk with my
Are you
secretary. Mr. Amos, please. I think we're gonna do this business anymore. I can't believe that. Please,
I'm sorry.
leave.
I'm sorry about
Mr.
that.
Amos,